Hi there, and welcome back to Belleville Toyota. I'm Bronwyn, and in today's video, I will be demonstrating how to use the rear view monitoring system, known by its more common name, the backup camera. This is an awesome feature to display a live image of the view behind the vehicle while backing up or parking. Please note that this feature is to assist the driver and should not be relied on as the sole safety precaution while backing up. These backup lines are standard on Toyota vehicles. However, some models have an array of display options that include different parking lines. For reference, I am using a 2021 RAV4. Let's get started. Once the vehicle is in reverse, the backup camera will come up automatically and we will see a display like this. These two lines are the vehicle width guidelines. This is a little wider than the vehicle itself to account for some extra space. This is essentially the guide path when the vehicle is backed up straight. These are the distance guidelines. The red line is approximately 1.5 feet from the bumper, and it's usually what people line up with the curb. The second distance guideline is 3 feet from the bumper, and the third is approximately 4.5 feet from the bumper. This is the vehicle center guideline, which shows the estimated center of the vehicle on the ground. This vehicle is one of the ones with extra guidelines, so some other models will have blue lines instead of yellow and will not have the display options on the bottom of the screen. In the bottom corner, you'll have the display switching button. This alternates between rear view mode and wide rear view mode. Wide mode may allow you to see a little bit more to the right and left of your peripheral. In the bottom right corner, this is the guideline switching button. This alternates between estimated course line display mode, parking assist guideline display mode, and distance guideline display mode. This is the estimated course line display mode. This will incorporate an extra set of lines that move with the steering wheel to give the driver an idea of where their vehicle is estimated to go. The blue lines represent if you were to go straight back. The yellow represent if you were to go where the steering wheel is turned. This is the parking assist guideline display mode. There are still the vehicle width guidelines and the distance guidelines. The crossing lines in the middle give the driver an idea of the smallest turn possible behind the vehicle to help determine if they could avoid an obstacle. This is the distance guideline display mode, and this shows the distance guideline only and is nice for those who are comfortable parking without all the extra guidelines. If you find that your rear guidelines are out of alignment or not quite right, be sure to consult your closest Toyota service department. If you notice that the image on the screen is difficult to see, there may be dirt or debris in the backup camera. I will show you where it is located. Now we're at the back of the vehicle. This is where you open your liftgate, and this is your camera. You'll notice it's right above where the license plate goes, so sometimes you'll see your license plate appear on the rear camera. If your camera is dirty, be sure to flush the camera with water and wipe it clean with a damp cloth, as cleaning it with your finger may cause scratches. On some new models, like the Highlander and the Venza, when you activate the rear wiper fluid system, it will also spray fluid onto the camera to clean it off. And that is all for today's video on how to use the backup camera in your Toyota vehicle. I hope this helps to make backing up or parking a little easier. I'm Bronwyn. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video.